Alright, here we've got a functionality video check on an Emco Compact 5 CNC lathe setup. It's got a whole ton of extra accessories. Start over here on the right, we've got a basic Emco CNC manual for the machine. Got some other assorted literature, shows how to make some aluminum chess pieces actually. It does have a factory OEM tool turret. Looks like a 3-position, actually 6-tool turret. No, my bad, 3-tool turret. You can put 3 different tools in there. Never had this thing hooked up, but it does appear that it should be functional as long as you just plug it into the right socket in the back of the machine. Got some other assorted tools, a little scribe unit here. As you can see, it's got a pen set up on the tool holder right now. You can actually do stencils and lettering right on this contraption. I got an extra chip for one of the boards in the back. What else? A bunch of random collets, tooling, assorted pieces in the back. Now with the main machine, this is a very clean unit. There's a couple scratches. Looks like there's a little wear and tear here. This machine pretty much has been in storage most of the time. Has not seen much use, but let's get up to the functionality. Over here we've got the hand and CNC. If you're going to run off a computer, flip it over to the CNC mode. Now when I go into hand mode here, the spindle will start up at a low RPM depending on wherever this is set. So flip that. You can see the chuck actually starts spinning there. Now I'm going to adjust this knob. That changes the RPM on the spindle. Bring it up to 1200 RPMs. We've got an inches and millimeter selector here. Tape to save any kind of files. Over here, this is going to be your controls for either typing in a program by hand, or you can also jog the X and Z axis. So here I'll move in towards the turret. Do that by simply holding on or pushing this button. Z plus brings it back. X plus and minus, let's see how these work. It brings your X plus will bring it back towards yourself. X minus. Going to jog it back in towards your workpiece. This does have a live center as well. Again, everything fully functional, appears to work great. Add a computer to this setup and you should be ready to rock and roll. I do believe Emco is still in business, so there is some limited support on these machines. And that about wraps it up. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email or use the contact seller button and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you.